In today's video, I will show you how to remove background in just one click. Log into your Canva Pro account. You should have a Canva Pro account to use the background remover tool. Upload the picture that you want to remove the background. Make sure you select the image. Then click Edit Image, and Background Remover tool. The background is now removed. You can change also the background that you want. Okay, let's try another picture. Upload again the image that you want to remove background, and do all the steps again.